火星，飞去宇宙偷偷牵手，坐在月亮等晴双语。
Hello guys, how was your day? I hope it's good like the new information from the Face Shop. The Face Shop has launched its new oil control water cushion for you who have an oily skin type. The price of this cushion is only 270,000 rupiah and that is still very affordable for you. This cushion will give a lot of benefits for you. This cushion can control the sebum on your face and at the same time it will moisturize your skin. This cushion can cover up the imperfections on your face and at the same time it will give a natural look to your face and also it will give a healthier and brighter skin look to your face. This cushion has a microfoam in it and the microfoam helps your face to look fresh even after 8 hours you use this product. The final look of this cushion is matte. This cushion has 3 shades. The first is V201 Light Beige. This is the brightest one, so if you have a white skin, you can use the shades. The second is V203 Natural Beige. If you have a yellowish skin tone, you can use the shades. And the last is V205 Sand Beige. If you have a tanner skin tone, you can use these shades. If you're Indonesian, I will recommend you the V203 Natural Beige, or if you have a darker skin tone, you can use the V205 Sand Beige. The net weight of this cushion is 15 gram or 0.52 oz. This cushion will last for 4 months if you use this for a daily. If you run out of this cushion, you don't have to buy the new one with the whole packaging because we produce the refill one. So if you run out of the cushion, you can buy the refill for 150,000 rupiah and this will be so much cheaper. Now let's see the packaging. The packaging of this cushion is really beautiful, simple and also elegant. The domination of white color gives a simple impression and this silver glassy color gives an elegant impression and a little tree in the center of this packaging gives a beautiful impression. Behind that, there are several informations about this cushion written in Hangul Korean. Inside, you can find there are this mirror, a puff, and also inside there is this sponge that contains the cushion. Now, this cushion has SPF 50+, PA+++, so this is really good for you who have an outdoor event, so you don't need to put an extra sunscreen to your face. The texture of this cushion is liquid, so it's more like a foundation but lighter than the foundation, so it will be so much easier to blend to your face. This cushion has a microfoam in it that can cover the pore on your face and also cover the wrinkles on your face and it will give a brighter look to your face. You don't have to put a primer to your face because this microfoam has already a characteristic of the primer itself. This cushion has a citrus wind chewy peel extracts that has a lot of vitamin C, so it will give a brighter look to your face, and also it has cottonseed oil. This cottonseed oil will moisturize your skin and it has an anti-aging characteristic and also it will protect you from the sun. And the last is it has oil cut powder that will give a matte look to your face. So this combination is really good for you who have an oily skin type. Now, to use this cushion is really easy. First, you have to put a moisturizer on your face. You can use any kind of moisturizer, and after that, you have to pat to this sponge inside this. You have to tap like this, and after that, you have to pat this puff to all over your face. You have to make sure you blend nicely. So, after you've done, you are ready to go out for 8 hours long without to touch up again. And here is the result after I use this product. It really covers up the imperfections on my face, especially for the acne scar, dark circle, and also the redness on my face. The shades of this cushion is really match my skin tone. I use the natural beige and this is really good. It's not too much and it's really light, so your face won't be too tired even you use this for a long time. And this is the result after I use this after 8 hours long. The sebum is very normal and the power of cover up is still working. So it's very good. For you who need a cushion that can cover up imperfections, can control the sebum on your face and also gives a natural and healthier look to your face, you can buy this oil control water cushion from the Face Shop.
Cushion with the brand The Face Shop Oil Control Water Cushion has become one of the most favorite Korean cushion. This cushion get into top 10 best pillow and get rating 4 out of 5. This proof this cushion is very good for facial skin and nothing have to lose if you want to buying this cushion. This cushion have price is not so expensive. The price for this cushion is only 270,000 rupiah, which is very good for price for one cushion, right? This cushion also very good for oily face skin types because this cushion can hold oil in your face, which is oily skin types needed that. This cushion also have full coverage and final result is made. So this cushion can cover up your pores. This cushion come from South Korea. We know that South Korea is the world of beauty. It's the country with the many good product of beauty. This cushion also have 3 shade, which is the shade is very good for Indonesia people skin tone with the world people skin tone. And this cushion also have cooling sensation, which is very helpful for our face skin because Indonesia have hot weather, right? So cooling sensation will be very helpful. This cushion also have simple but elegant packaging. If you see, this packaging is simple but elegant. So you not hesitate if you want to showing your cushion to the world. This cushion also had shade number to the box section, so you will very helpful when you want to searching your shade number on your face. This cushion also have instruction uses English, which is English is very universal language. So if you the user and you not understand Korean language, you can understand the instruction about discussion because discussion using English language. Discussion also have refill. So if discussion has run out, you just can simply buying the refill. Discussion also have mirror. Let me show you this mirror. So discussion will very helpful if you want to using discussion. Discussion also have puff with very soft and smooth and be very comfortable when touching up your face. Discussion also have fragrance like a lemon. And discussion also make you very comfortable with the many benefit like high SPF with SPF 50 plus PA triple plus. With the final result is made in full coverage, so can cover up your pores and the cooling sensation, which is very helpful for Indonesian hot weather. And the discussion is come from South Korea, the world of beauty. Don't forget with the price is only 270,000 rupiah, not expensive price for cushion. So what are you waiting for? Come on to our official shop and buying this cushion. The Face Shop Oil Control Water Cushion has received many positively response from the various countries around the world. The women in the world mostly respond positively to the presence of discussion. Many are falling in love and falling in love again after continuing to use discussion. Opinion of most people relate to discussion is very interest, especially with the end result that is full coverage and made like the facial promise. The public opinion about discussion is with the price only 270,000 and with the exceptional qualities from discussion make nothing have to lose if they buy discussion. With SPF is 50 plus PA triple plus, make they not have to using another sunscreen for protecting their face. The South Korea, which is the origin of discussion, also make the people who buy discussion feel more confident with the greatness. The women also think discussion able to hold oil in their face without making their face look very dry. The women argue that without touch up after exposed to sunlight, that's okay because if they using discussion will make their face still look good even after exposed to sunlight. And the opinion provide also really like the packaging because the packaging is so elegant and classy. In addition, discussion with a full coverage and matte finish make the superior cushion can cover pores and make facial skin look smoother. What I mentioned above is a review and opinion from the public about our cushion, the Face Shop cushion, oil control water cushion, which is one of our superior product because of its greatness as a cushion with excellent result and does not disappoint.